from Tishatro Bahari from 520. Today, I would like to prepare a recipe called mini croissant. Mini croissant is famous in French bakery. The first step is to prepare all the ingredients such as puff pastry and egg. First, we take puff pastry and cut it into a triangle. And we roll it like this. And it will become like this. Keep on rolling the pastry. At the same time, we preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. And we brush the egg on the croissant. Now we put in the oven for 25 minutes. Let's enjoy the croissant. Bye!